Clever Little Box Company is to provide activities for teachers, health professionals, parents and anyone else who works with young children and children with special needs. The Clever Little Box Company was founded by 2 teachers with lots of experience working with young children both in mainstream and special schools. Our experiences have shown us that traditional resources for children with special needs have lacked variety and depth. We began to make our own resources for the classroom and these worked very successfully. We decided that we would love to design and deliver games and activities for a wider audience. Our stimulating educational activities will guide young children through a series of structured steps towards success in learning. We hope you enjoy our products. All our games and activities are laminated and come with hook and loop fasteners. The laminate means that the games are sturdy enough to withstand a bit of abuse from young children. Hook and loop fasteners mean that the pieces stick into place and this helps young children whose motor control is developing to finish the task successfully. For some children, working with the stick-type trays will offer much more needed structure and help them complete an activity independently. Our laminated activities are divided into 3 levels of difficulty and within each level there is also a degree of progression. Our matching activities are the easiest level. This is our clothes matching set which comes with 4 baseboards and 48 accompanying matching cards. The child simply matches the cards with the correct item of clothing on the baseboard. Once children have mastered using the 4 boards separately, they can then try swapping the pieces. For example, match the coloured clothes to their silhouettes, or match the photo pictures to the black and white baseboard, etc. There are lots of opportunities for language learning throughout. Working one-to-one with the child means that the adult can enrich the learning experience by using the vocabulary. In the case of this set, the vocabulary of clothes. The adult may say, "Let's find the shoes. Can you find something yellow?" Or "What is this one called?" A couple of tips for the adult would be, use a range of questions which need both receptive and expressive language skills so that the child understands and can name the items of clothing. Always remember to limit the number of questions in any one session and keep sessions to an appropriate length according to the age and ability of the child. Our early years activity packs are the middle level of difficulty in our range. They introduce early sorting skills for a range of criteria such as colour, object, number, pattern and size. Here is our early years vehicle set. Again, there are 4 baseboards within the set and 48 accompanying sorting cards. The child sorts for 1 criterion at a time by putting the cards into the correct columns. So, here the child sorts all the vehicles into the correct columns by looking at the picture at the top. And this one, the child sorts the vehicles for colour. This board allows children to sort vehicles according to pattern. And with this board, the child counts the vehicles in each card and sorts according to the numbers in each set. Again, working with an adult one-to-one can encourage language learning opportunities. This pack will allow learning the language of colour, number and vehicle names. Questioning can be more advanced where there are 2 key words that a child has to listen to instead of just 1. For example, find 3 fire engines. Where is the yellow boat? Also encourage 2 word level answering to questions. For example, what do you see here? If the child answers a helicopter, encourage 2 words by saying, what colour is it? Red. So it's and encourage the child to say red helicopter by putting the 2 words together. Our junior sorting sets are the most advanced level of difficulty in our range at present. These packs introduce sorting for 2 criteria at a time. There is also progression within the pack. This is our junior animal sort set. In this baseboard, the child now has to think about what the animal is and also about what colour it is. The pictures at the top of each column make this easier, and so this is a good introduction to sorting for 2 criteria. Here again, the child has to think about the animal and also about what size it is. With this baseboard, the child now has to look at the top and side columns and find the card which matches both. At this stage, the child is truly sorting for 2 criteria. This final baseboard in the set involves sorting for colour and type of animal at the same time. The child looks at the columns at the side and the top and finds the card that matches both. By this stage, the child is able to sort for a range of criteria and for more than 1 criterion at a time. As before, there are opportunities for practicing language skills. This pack covers vocabulary of animal names, colours and size.